This is so simple. It literally takes 5 to 10 minutes of prep, and then we let the slow cooker do all the hard work for this delicious, simple, hearty comfort food. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This slow cooker chicken and vegetable soup is a great way to make a tasty, nutritious meal using inexpensive cuts of meat. It's really easy to make. We just put everything in the slow cooker at the beginning. So let's get cooking. To the slow cooker, we're going to add in 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, 4 chicken drumsticks, 1 peeled and finely chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic that have been minced, 2 sticks of sliced celery, 3 medium carrots that have been roughly chopped, 2 medium potatoes peeled and chopped into bite-sized chunks, a bay leaf, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a litre, which is about 4 1/4 cups of strong chicken stock. Give it a good mix to make sure everything's covered in the stock. Now I'm using bone-in pieces of chicken to add extra flavour into that broth. If you wanted to add even more flavour, you could also brown the chicken pieces beforehand, but I really wanted this to be a nice, quick and easy soup. So I'm using some extra tasty, flavourful stock to make sure we've got plenty of flavour in there. Now we're going to place a lid on the slow cooker and cook that on low for 6 hours or on high for 4 hours. This recipe, plus 99 others, is available in my new book, It's All About Dinner. I'm really excited about this new book as it brings together our reader favourites along with some new and exciting recipes all in one place. It's like the greatest hits. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out. At the end of the cooking time, remove the lid and take out the chicken using a set of tongs. We're also going to remove and discard the bay leaf. Now remove the skin from the chicken and shred up the chicken meat using 2 forks. Place the chicken meat back into the slow cooker and stir together. Then divide the chicken soup between bowls and top with some fresh parsley or thyme. Serve this lovely, hearty chicken and vegetable soup on its own or with a big wedge of bread. So tasty.